Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will going to start our seventh question of exercise 2.1. Okay, so look at Ritu at 3 upon 5 part on apple. So Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple and the remaining part was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, so we have to find how much part eaten by Somu by her brother. Okay, how much part of apple did Somu eat and who had larger share and how much. So look at, suppose it is an apple. Okay, it is an apple. So Ritu ate how much? 3 upon 5. It means 3 is out of 5 part. So we divide this apple in 5 equal part. 1, 4 and suppose it is 5. Okay, they are the 5 parts. Okay, so Ritu eat how much? 3 upon 5. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. So 3 upon 5 and remaining was eaten. So remaining how much remained? 2 part. So remaining was eaten by her brother. So how much? 2 upon 5. It is very simple. Next is how much part of apple did Somu eat? 2 upon 5. Second question, who had larger share? So it is 3 upon 5. It is 2 upon 5. Denominator is same. So which one is greater? So you can see by the figure also. Ritu eat more and how much? It is 3 upon 5. It is 2 upon 5. So how much extra? 1 upon 5. But direct we cannot write. So what we will do? So look at, suppose it is an apple. An apple. How many apple? It is 1 apple and we divide it in 5 parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and this is 5 part. Okay. And these 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3 eaten by Ritu. So write part of apple was eaten by what is Ritu? How much? 3 upon 5 part. Okay. So now we have to find how much part of apple did Somu eat. So we write part of apple eaten by Somu. How much? If you know, suppose you have 10 rupees, okay, and you went on shop and you take a chips of 5 rupees. For 5 rupees. So how much you have left? So total rupees minus how much you spend. So 10 minus same as it is. Part of apple eaten by some how much? 1 minus, because there was how many apple? Only 1. Total is apple is 1. 1 minus part of apple eaten by Ritu. Yes, total apple is 1 minus how much part? 3 upon 5. And it is a fraction. And fraction how can we solve? Fraction always 1 minus 3 upon 5. So it is also a fraction. Fraction how can we solve? By taking LCM. So 1 can we write 1 by 1? Yes. 1 divided by 1. What is answer? 1 or not? So 1 we can write this. So first we take LCM of 1 and 5. 1 into 5. 5 is LCM. Next, LCM is divided by denominator. 5 divided by 1. 5. And what we got? Multiply by numerator 1. Minus LCM divided by denominator. 5 divided by 5. 1. We get 1. Multiply by numerator. So it will got, it's become 5 into 1. 5. 1 into 3. 3 divided by 5. What is become? 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. Next part. Who had larger share? Larger share. So it is 2 upon 5. It is 3 upon 5. So 5, 5. Both are denominator is same. It means which one is greater? In like fraction, how can you compare? now a fraction which have numerator is greater, it is greater. So 3 is greater than 2, so it means Ritu. So write Ritu at larger share of apple. Okay. Second, next is by how much? By how much? I have 10 rupees and you have 7 rupees. So I have how many more rupees than you? My rupees minus your. So 3 rupees is I have more than. Same as it is. So write. So Ritu had more part. Ritu eat more part. How much? Ritu part 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. How will we solve it? Again, two fraction. How can we subtract or add? By taking LCM. So what is LCM? 5 divided by 5. LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. Okay. So 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 into 3, 3. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 into 2, 2. So what is? So how much part? 1 by 5th part is eaten by Ritu more. Okay, it is your answer. Understand it? So always remember, when we want to add, whenever we want to add or subtract to any fraction, we can subtract them by taking LCM. Okay. Now next part. Now question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture. Okay, in 7 upon 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 upon 4 hours. Who worked longer? So how can we compare two fraction? First we will make them like fraction. Like fraction mean denominator is same. So right? We will solve it now. Michael finished the work in 7 by 12 hours. And Vaibhav finished the work in 3 upon 4 hours. So in asking, we have to find who worked longer. So how can we find worked longer? First we will change them in a like fraction. So right, change the fractions in like fraction. Okay, so like fraction, how can we change? We will make denominator. To write LCM, so we will take LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. Yes, LCM of 12 and 4, 12, and it is 4. 2, 6, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So we can write 7 by 12. So what is LCM? LCM is 12. So now we will make both of the denominator is 12. It is already 12. So you can write 7 by 12. You can write 7 into 1, 12 into 1. So what is 7 by 12? No need to change it. Okay. Next is 3 upon 4. Yes. What number you will multiply by denominator? Then it become 12. So 4 into 3. So 3 into same number multiply in numerator and denominator, 9 by 12. So it is become 9 by 12. Understand? So now you can compare which one is longer, 7 by 12 or 9 by 12. To write Vaibhav, okay, Vaibhav. Who worked longer? So Vaibhav worked worked longer. Okay, and how much? By how much you can find 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. To write 12 is LCM. LCM is divided by denominator. 12 divided by 12. We got 1. 1 multiply 9 minus 12 divided by 12. 1. 1 into 7. So 9 minus 7 divided by 12. So it comes 2 by 12. And 2 by 12, if you want 2 ones are 1, 2, 6. So what is 1 upon 6? So how much longer? So write Weber worked longer. So you can write Weber worked longer by 1 upon 6th hour. By 1 upon 6th hour. Understand it? Now we will start our next exercise 2.2. Yes, now dear students, now we will learn how to multiply a fraction with a whole number. Everyone know what is whole number? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to ending. It is natural number and whole number. If we add 0 in natural number, it is become whole number. So these are all whole numbers. These are okay, whole numbers. So now how to multiply a whole number by a fraction? So look at, so it means suppose 2 multiply 3 upon 4, it is whole number 2 and 3 upon 4 is a fraction. So what we will do, if you want to multiply a whole number with fraction, we multiply the whole number to the numerator, of the fraction. So numerator, it is 3 upon 4. It is numerator, it is denominator. To multiply the whole is 2, to the numerator. So 2 multiply 3, 6. Okay, and keeping the denominator same, and denominator is 4 as it is. Okay, otherwise if you have any confusion, you can write, yes, any whole number 2, can you write 2 by 1? Yes, why not? 2 divided by 1 again 2. So you can write 2 into 1 into 3 upon 4. So numerator multiply, denominator. 2 into 3, 6. And 1 into 4. So always remember, denominator we will multiply by 1. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Understand? So like this one, we can multiply by 2 fractions. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, dear. So now we will do our exercise. Look at. So now we are start our exercise 2.2. First we are doing third question. First part, 7 multiplies 3 upon 5. So it means what I told you. What did I tell you? Always when we multiply whole to fraction, numerator multiply 2 whole number. 7 into 3, 21, and it is as it is. Okay. Next is which one part? All are very simple. You can do yourself. Suppose sixth part is 5 upon 2 multiply 6. Okay. So you can do multiply. Yes. 5 into 6, 30. 2 as it is. Can we divide? 30 divided by 2. Yes. So it is come 1, 5. So answer is 5. And you can write, it is in mixed fraction also if you want. 21 divided by 5. 21 divided by 5. 5 for the 20. 1 is remainder. So 4, 1 upon 5. It is your answer. Next is one more, ninth part. Rest of part do yourself. It is very simple. 13 multiply 1 upon 3. So 13 into 1, 13 divided by 3. So 13 divided by 3, write in this fraction. 4 1 upon 3. It is your answer. Understand it? So in next class we will do some other questions. So I hope everyone understand it. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.